If you want to download Telegram on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to go to the App Store, which you might be able to find in the home screen or definitely in the app library, either in suggestions or somewhere over here, or you can tap on App Library at the top over here on the search field and look for App Store on this list. Once you open the App Store, you can either try to find the app. It might be visible over here where we have top apps this week, so you can just press get over here. Or you can tap on this magnifying glass on the bottom right corner, or you can also tap on the search field over here and we can write Telegram. There we go. And you can press get button here or tap on the app name and press it over here. And in this case we need to confirm that we want to install it. You might need to enter the password, or you will need to confirm by pressing the side button. And then once the app is installed, you should be able to either open it from the App Store, you can try to find it in the home screen, it might be automatically added over there, or you can definitely find it in the app library over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.